Jamaica. Creative. 100. 100.
This gonna go down. This freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink.
What's up, my peeps? Welcome back to my channel. As always, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Now, today is Wednesday, so I find random videos, funny videos, and react to them. This one is super funny. You're definitely gonna enjoy it. Since you're here right now, just give it a like, subscribe, and share the video. Help me grow the channel. Now enjoy this one. This look fun. Home Coney Island, home Disney. Yo, everybody having fun. Home girl a fly. Hi, what you know? She crashed. Somebody go save her. Oh my gosh. Home girl morning.
Jesus Christ, hear me go again.
Jamaica. Creative.
100.
100.
Coming on me eat for the
100. 100. I'm a 200. 100.
The good things, the good things, the good things.
What's your Rasta? Rasta, come on, video to you know. Rasta, no song, you know. Buy up the man, please. And a Basco, and a Casco, roadside bargain center. Yo, he was solid. Which part of town in them? You have to go support him. Since me a countryman, just go to town and buy everything for $100 and then go back and West and sell it for $200. Easy Rasta. $100 clothes, she like that. Yo, it was crazy. Bud. Watch it now. See dancer. Digging at the heat. Digging at the heat. New dance. New dance. New dance.
Give me money now. Dig in your pocket. Give me
Money
100.
now.
Dig in your purse. Give me 100. Shift and left press. Give me 100. Fast and fast. Come in and me eat now. Fast and fast. Looking at me eat now. Fast and fast. Don't think none here now. Fast and fast.
Yo, it was lyrical. So when they sign him, Scatter Barrel.
Come in and me store.
The new artist here.
Look upstairs. Look up now.
Everything they are told. Easy Rasta. Rasta, real hype man now.
Come up with you one time. Take it up for your one, give me 100. I keep on playing, give me 100. Give me 100.
Digging at the hey, new dance again. Digging at the heat. Put your hand forward and close it. Open when you're coming back. The crowd, everybody a buy you. Yo, Rasta is star I shoes to our second star. Rasta really like fun, but the youth here, he man fully talented, I swear. Go and go support him. Alright my peeps, as always I appreciate you guys watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, share it just the same. Subscribe, click the notification bell. Until next time, stay safe.
Watch me act you down. This gonna go down. This freaking vibes is so nice.